Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Michael McDonald.
Welcome to the show. We have a great show for you tonight. We have a lot of great sketches.
God, really? I can't believe we're gonna be on TV.
Oh my God, no, big Stupid, it's my TV.
Oh my God, I like that show.
Yeah, it's cool.
Oh my God.
Ladies, hey, ladies, I'm in the middle of
Oh my
something
God,
here.
look, Lily, look who it is. It's that guy, you know, the one who's always he's always like running around naked.
Yeah.
So...
That's Michael McDonald. Let's get his autograph.
All right.
Oh, Michael. Michael, can we get your autograph, please?
Yeah,
Please,
this isn't
Michael.
really the appropriate time.
Lily, you know what? He's kind of cute.
Oh my God, he's like muy much funny.
Yeah. Oh, I know. He's the one who does, he does that kid who's all like, it's like, what? and like, he's got those cheeks, like,
Oh, stoic. Oh,
Yeah.
do that stoic.
Stoic, yeah.
Do stoic.
I cannot do so.
And he's like, look what I can do.
Come on, let me do it.
Please,
Let me do it.
No,
Please, please,
no,
please.
no.
I'll do you.
No, I can't. I'm sorry. I'm in the middle of a television show. I have to open it up, and you guys, you have to go find your seats wherever they are. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You check him out.
Yeah, he thinks he's all that and stuff.
Yeah.
You know, we don't need you,
No.
Mr. McDonald.
Yeah, Mr. McDonald, yeah.
Yeah.
Look, I'm sorry. I'll do it. You know.
Michael, watch this, Michael. Watch this.